So most of the times we use this MacBook alone, but we may need some extended display as well. So in that case, we can use our iPad as secondary monitor, like extended display, or even you can mirror this same screen. So let's see how we can do that. So the first step will be just click on this one, and you will feel this Windows, something like restore icon. Click on it. So you'll be getting this iPad as mirroring screen. Click on it. So the moment you click, you can see it's already extending this screen. So you can also do the mirroring part. So it's just mirroring the screen. You can see it like this. At the same time, you have several options like either you can show the slide bar or you can hide the touch bar. So most probably this is the right option using as an extended display. So in this case, I'm just moving. You can see it's appearing here. So that's a big added advantage being in a Apple ecosystem. I hope this works for you. If this is helpful, give us a like. Thank you.